What's going on, guys? Today I am going to teach you how to upload your music to every single platform. So let's get into it. The first thing we are on Distrokid.com. So I made an account. I did the $35 option so I could have multiple artists and also schedule when I would drop songs. That's one I would recommend. You can't do the $35 option. That's awesome. Don't worry about it. You can always do the $20 option. And also I'm going to give you guys a link at the end if you guys want to get a discount if you want to go through Distrokid in the future. All right, so what we got here are different services that it provides too. So we got Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, TikTok, Google Play, and then all of them below. So these are all the ones that they provide to automatically. So how many songs are we gonna do? We're gonna do one song because we're doing a single, but you can upload up to 35 songs at once. That's crazy. So is this song previously released? For me, no. So I'm gonna answer no. The artist name is who I am already. If you haven't, so let's say I would go under like a different name like Daniel S. Wall, it would search to see if anyone else is under this name, and it's taking a little bit of time to search. Hello? Is it really that hard to search? Okay, cool. So it looks like artist already in Apple Music. No. So this will be the first release for this user because my name is Daniel Wall. I already have a Spotify here. Thank you. Wow. Floosh, now you're seeing what I deal with every day. Every day. What will they learn? Learn. I got a lightsaber. Yeah, I'm gonna lightsaber. Huh. Alright, let's keep going. Oh my gosh, how long are you gonna take? Okay, cool. Let's just leave this on the desk for fun. Just kidding. Here are my like songs. Let me go to my profile so you guys can see it. All right, so here's my profile if you guys want to come check it out. But here's what it'll look like for you. You got the 2 songs that I've put out so far. I'm following myself. You got the about and you got concerts. Let's keep going. So here's me. I'm all set. Artist already in Apple Music. Artist already in Spotify. So before the video, I got everything set up and I want to release this song on June 19th at 12 a.m. So I go to my June calendar just to be sure that I'm getting the right date. And I see right there, June 19th is a Friday. I want to release it technically on June 18th. It'll come out. Just to let you guys know, this song was most likely to come out on June 18th at around 10 p.m. So the release time is going to be 12 a.m. And we're going to do time synchronization in the listener's time zone. So time synchronization, we're going to do June 19th, 2020 at midnight. Let people pre-order. Yes, you want people to pre-order your song. You want people to pre-save the link. So I'm going to put yes. I'm put the date as May 26th, which is when I'll get my pre-saved link date. Actually, can I do May 25th? Wall Records, album cover. My friend designed this for me, and I just kind of dragged it in there for my downloads. But here's a little thing about it. It needs to be some sort of like, it can't be a PDF file. This type of file needs to be, I usually like to say 1400 by 1400. That's usually what I do. I do that through Canva, but a lot of times, like for example, this is my friend. His name is Sam Flores, also known as Pink Phantom. He sent this over to me. He made it. He also came up with the name for Sunset Drip, so he's awesome. Big fan of him. Go check him out. He sent it to me at 498 times 498. I put it in Canva and I just re-downloaded it and gave me 1400 by 1400. You need to put at least 1000 by 1000 in order for Distrokid to accept your art. The language we're going to do is English. The primary genre, we're going to pick dance and electronic with indie dance. To show you guys an example of what the song kind of sounds like, the song is called Sunset Drip. An incredible song. Big fan of it. Here's a little preview. Let's fast forward a little bit to where I would put it on TikTok. That's all we get for now. Okay, so this is Sunset Drip. I have it in 32-bit wave, so it would be the highest sample rate I can get. It's 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Sunset Drip. If I had a feature on this song, then I would follow the directions here of how to add a feature. For this song in particular, there is no feature. Then I have the file in here that you just heard. So I wrote this song or managed the songwriter. It's an original tune. This is true. This is not a cover song. I wrote everything, so that is the option I'm going to put. I feel like an e-boy right now. Wow, I need a haircut. Music and lyrics, Daniel Wall. Explicit lyrics, there are no explicit lyrics. In fact, the lyrics are pretty interesting. Instrumental, the song contains lyrics. It does. Preview the clip. I never let streaming services decide the time for my thing because right now, where music is, your TikTok placements are so important. So I always pick the time I like the most. And the way I figure that out is I double open the song and I'll go exactly to where I want it to be. It's kind of cool right there. I like 40. So we're gonna keep it 99 cents just because I don't really care about changing it. We could do 69 cents, but maybe that'd be on the next song. So this is the only option that's free. So I'm gonna pick Instagram and Facebook. Now you can pick these. So we have Store Maximizer, automatically deliver it to new stores. So if a new store comes up, it'll automatically be delivered. You could pick that, but this is per song. You gotta think about it like that. This other is Shazam and iPhone Siri. Make it easy for people to identify this. Just to let you know, even if you don't pick this option, Siri and Shazam are still able to pick up your song and recognize it. Then we have Leave a Legacy, League of Legends. Distrokid won't delete this single from stores due to a lapsed Distrokid membership. For example, if your credit card is declined, you can always choose to delete it at any time or not. Continue to accrue 100% of royalties and don't leave your legacy for future generations. This is even if you die. This is per song, by the way. So I've done 2 songs now. I have a mentor of mine who basically said not to pick any of these. He's more like a friend. Then what we're gonna do is, I believe we're done. Let's double check it one more time. Wow, this one was easy. Done. Cool. All right. Please choose a pre-order date. Okay, good to know. I guess I can't pick today as the pre-order date. I have to pick tomorrow. Good to know. We're learning every day, all right? We got this song, sending out and verifying for the masses to be seen. How exciting, all right. What do I have to do? Have to. Now you might be asking yourself, why do I have a lightsaber? It's because I found it in my closet, and I've been going on a Star Wars rant recently, and Star Wars is pretty cool. Everyone's telling me, Daniel, you should watch the Clone Wars. I'm like, okay, and I haven't watched it yet. And so I've let you guys down. I'm sorry about that. But at least I have a lightsaber on me, right? As you can see, with a 32-bit WAV file, it might take a little longer for your track to download and go into the system. We're only at 42% right now, and we've waited probably like a minute. All right, we're now at 50%. How exciting. By the way, if you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. I'm gonna be probably uploading another song on TikTok this time as like a little kind of example of how to upload your music, and that's going to be my next song coming out in July, which is called Heads or Tails, featuring my buddy Sanan. It's probably one of my favorite songs I've ever put together. It's completely going against the grain of what I usually put out. It's actually really sweet. It's very acoustic sounding, and it's very experimental. Like I don't think I've heard many songs like this at all. It even starts different, ends different. It's so cool, and it's such a good song too. It's catchy. It's so great. Big fan of it. Alright, and then after that, I'm going to be uploading my Apple Juice song to Spotify. You've probably already seen this on my channel already, edited by the Master Floosh out there, who killed it, by the way, with the Apple Juice song. So that's going to be uploaded on Spotify. I haven't decided if it's going to be under me or under a pseudonym. I think the song's really good though, really exciting. Alright, sweet. Your release date is cutting it close. That was easy, wasn't it? So we're sending this out to single stores on June 19th. Because the release date you specify is less than 4 weeks, it's possible the single won't be live everywhere by your release date. This is due to stores' internal review process and other possible delays for stores end. Nothing we can do about that. For future reference, it's important to release go live. It's 4 weeks into the future. Get to work. You can share. Ooh, pre-save. Show me. Kind of going through this real quick. Basically what I can tell you is this is mostly for liability. So this is for if the stores or Distrokid isn't able to get your song out in time. It's like we gave you basically a announcement saying that we wouldn't be able to. So this is kind of to protect them and the stores if they're not able to get it out in time. So basically that's all it means. Now I have cut release dates pretty close. I've done 3 weeks before. I've done 2 weeks before. So like, and it's worked. I've had friends though who've done 3 weeks before and hasn't come out on TikTok on time. So that is another issue that could come out. So this song will be coming out on June 19th, 2020 at midnight. And I hope to see you guys listening to it. I'm excited. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Please leave them in the comments and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Where's my sorrow? Can't feel the sorrow. tired of wearing a smile I just cannot borrow. When you'd rather sleep than be awake, that's the truth.